Hey friends, Tuxx here. I've been asked to check out this particular dash cover, and so I'm going to open this for you and unbox it and give you my honest opinion. Now, as you guys probably know, I have a C7 Corvette. If you go back in the queue, you'll see a bunch of videos on it. Here's a picture or two of my C7, and I love this car a lot, okay? But I have had it for a while now. I've had it for, boy, like 5 years, you know? So I may upgrade to a C8 eventually, but I really love a lot of things about the C7, so I'm not in a big rush, to be honest with you. And some C7 owners have told me that they are looking for a good dash cover to keep their dash nice and cool. Now, my dash has no cracks or any problems or anything, so I'm not really worried about covering it, but I wanted to take a look at this anyway, just for future reference or for people who are looking, because I found that when I was actually looking up this particular brand, it was highly recommended, but I couldn't really find much as far as YouTube reviews or unboxing. So let's go ahead and just check it out. This is available on Amazon, and I will have a link for this product right below, so be sure to click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? All right, so you can see this is how it comes in a very advertising filled box here, so hopefully no one sees this and wants to steal it or anything. I guess it is made for a very customized vehicle. They'll make one for your exact vehicle, so if someone steals it, unless they have your exact car, it probably wouldn't do them a whole lot of good, to be honest with you. So that's, I guess, one good thing. Now, as far as the importance of dash covers, they are important. I think it's good to have a dash cover, to be honest with you. It will keep your car cooler on the inside, and it will help protect your dash from cracking and other problems, you know, down the road. Okay, now this cover itself is not the most expensive one. Oh, my dove is cooing in excitement. It's not the most expensive one. I want to say, I think it was about $50 is what they were advertising this for, but click my link, and I know the price does fluctuate a little bit, and I'll have the very best price for you right below again. Okay, so anyway, it comes nicely rolled up here. Well, check it out. We're pulling this out. Now, they say this is like suede-like, okay? And I'd say it's a very, very tight fig material. There is like some little particles, it looks like. I don't think it was used, but it looks like there is, maybe the way they cut it. There's a lot of like little dots. I don't know if you can see this. So it's a little interesting. I don't know where that came from. So hopefully this wasn't returned by somebody and sold to me. I don't think that's the case. If I see signs of that, I'll let you know. But I'm kind of surprised at the quantity of little specks on here, and it wasn't really wrapped in any kind of like plastic wrap or anything either. But again, if this is cut for my exact vehicle, perhaps that's just a sign of it being cut. Now, some things I'll call out immediately here is from opening it. I could tell like this right here is for the alarm, so there's some thoughtful touches. My Corvette does have the dash with the heads-up display, so this should have a hole for that. Looks like they do come with some Velcro here. This is interesting. Okay, so we have some light instructions here. Talks about how to put it on the dash. And it looks like this one isn't my exact one, but you can see this is for a C7 Corvette with heads-up display. So that's all good. I don't know what that red line means, like hopefully not used or something. But basically it has you laying it down, position the dash cover, make sure the defroster sensors are in the right locations. You cut the Velcro strip, which is included right here. You got 2 strips of Velcro. You can always buy more. Basically, this is the rough part of the Velcro, and I guess it just sticks natively to this side. So you don't really need the second half, like the fuzzy half, you know? And you just cut it, fasten it down, and stick it where it is. This does come with a warranty. Fabric has a 5-year warranty, okay? So that's pretty good. Returns are not allowed, and customer... Okay, so I guess unless it is the manufacturer, they don't allow returning, probably because like the likeliness of finding an exact person who needs this exact cut is probably not that likely. Now, it looks like it is handmade. Like you can see here from some of the cuts, like it is on the back side, of like a little uneven here and there. But I guess that comes with cutting all the vents. It is nicely sewn around all the different little parts. You can see how they sewn that. Looks very professional. Looks very good. As far as the texture goes, I wish it felt more like suede. I would say it doesn't feel like carpet or any kind of weird mat or whatever. And I think there's ones that they actually have that look like suede with like little holes, you know? I do notice that this around the alarm sensor is not really like sewn or anything. It would be kind of nice if that was sewn instead of just cut. You can see how they just cut that. It's not like sewn in or melted or anything, but it is good that will cover, or I should say not cover, the little alarm sensor. The piece itself definitely looks good. I really don't notice anything weird about it. I'd say pros, I believe this would actually keep the actual car dash cooler And this is definitely cut to like my C7 Corvette. I can tell just looking at it. This is not something that would fit a lot of other cars. So it's cool that they actually make it for your exact vehicle. So if you want something that's really custom fit for your vehicle, you know, sewn right just the way it needs it for the steering wheel and all the sensors and vents and everything else, this is definitely a good way to go. I would say the only con I would say is I kind of wish it would look more leathery. Like, I would pay more for suede as opposed to this black material, but this black material might be better than it. Like, if you do have a cracked dash, it'd be great to cover that up. And if it is another situation where you're just trying to keep it cool, maybe white would be better than black, because black kind of absorbs heat and white reflects heat. So that's something else to think of. But click the link, you'll see there's a number of different color choices and styles you can choose from. But I just wanted to show what this looks like, give you a real close-up look at that. Again, the sewing is very, very nice. And the material feels very nice. It feels kind of like felt a little bit. And you can see, like, it is definitely, it's not like carpet. It's very, very tight and very low. But I'd say this definitely doesn't feel like suede or ultra suede necessarily. But you know what? Not bad. Again, I'm not going to put it into a car for this particular video. I'm just doing an unboxing and talking about it. I may do another video down the road if I decide to put this in my car. But for right now, I do not have a dash cover myself. But now that I have this one here, maybe I'll be inspired to put a cover in my dash. It's kind of like auto bras. Like, some people absolutely love auto bras. Some people don't like auto bras, you know. And even though they could be functional or, you know, good for a number of reasons, some people just don't like the look of them. So it's kind of a personal choice, you know. But if you are a person who's looking for a dash cover, you know, for whatever reason, no matter if it's keeping your car protected, no matter if it's keeping your car cool, or if it's to hide some kind of crack or something, this might be a good way to go, okay? If you are the maker or manufacturer of a dash mat, which you'd like me to review as well, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, or follow the links in the channel description. But so far, I would say this mat looks very nice. Love the way it's cut exactly for the vehicle. It's not generic. It's not made for a whole bunch of cars. It's made for a C7 Corvette, so I know it's going to fit my car like a glove, okay? All right, friends. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. We'll talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.